Okay, so in this do now, you're asked to find the domain and range of this function. So first let's look at the domain. If I were to place, pretend I have a sticky note here, and I'm going to place it on the left hand side where the graph starts. So I'm starting at -10. Now this open circle here means that function or that point is not defined. So it's not part of the function. So in this case we would have a curved bracket around the -10. And then this function goes all the way until +10. And that closed circle means that it is defined there. So I will have a square bracket around the +10. In set notation, you can write this as x must be greater than -10 with no equal to, but less than or equal to +10. Okay. The range is the y values, so we look from bottom to top. So from the bottom, the lowest point of my graph is going to be at -5, and it does hit -5. There is a point there, so I will have a closed bracket. And then I move up and I try to find the highest point of my function here, and it's at 2 different points, but they both hit at 6. Okay, so I will be at a +6, and because they are both defined there, it's going to be a square bracket around the 6. In set notation, this would be -5 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 6.